X-rays come in to take the X-rays.
Yeah, we have a mobile X-ray unit that.
Even the ultrasound, the Doppler, we can get in the
Ultrasound?
Well, from the outside service, we have.
They'll come here. So they don't have to be sent out. And then they do EKGs here, and they do the lab, some of the labs. There's some lab work that they have to be sent out for, but otherwise, I think we try and do everything here.
So most members are not living here.
No, nobody. It's not no housing
program.
Yeah, it's a day program. This part you see is a day program. So everybody comes here. So under our umbrella of services, we have day health center services. So there's activities, there's this clinic, the medical piece, and then the rehab piece. So people can come here for 3 different services.
So if you if you want to apply this, it will be way for the long line as a lot of people.
Nope. Amazingly, we're Fremont's best kept secret.
Oh.
Nobody knows about us.
Oh, great.
Oh.
Oh, I see.
So we will be your ambassador, don't worry.
That's right. So that was part of.
I heard of ON LOK, but I thought it's people can live here and I didn't know it was in this location.
Yeah. I mean, part of it is we're not visible.
Yeah.
Right? We're tucked way back.
And number 1, while we take up cocktail at the same time. So here with Peter, I have one. And Perky is finally out of the game. Woo-hoo. This is your turn. So I'm going to give you these to roll. Okay. So 2 and 3. So here goes Patty. And then Pinky. Finally, Pinky has gotten out of bed and she's on the road. Good job. Your turn.
Has 8 different centers. Most of the centers are in San Francisco. We have one in San Jose now. We have this one here, and we're going to open a new one on Peralta Avenue. The goal of the program is to serve seniors that want to live at home for as long as possible. So that means that we will partner with the family to keep the seniors at home. We provide transportation to and from the day health center, to and from medical appointments. We do all the scheduling of appointments for the participants, so the family doesn't have to worry about keeping track of appointments, when to make the appointments, especially if they have working children, right? You always worry about your parents. When is their appointment? I have to take off. But in our program,
我叫陆维英，我到这个 Fremont 的安乐居已经有5年了，我在这里生活的很高兴。因为什么呢？我有很多病，进了安乐居以后呢，他们对我帮助很多。给我家里头打扫卫生，帮我洗澡，还可以帮我清洁楼灶啊什么的家务劳动。因为我来到安乐居呢，叫我做游戏，帮我做那个城市活动，各种样的活动，还有各种各样的娱乐活动，我感觉很高兴。我走了呢9点以前到这里，下午2点钟回去。有很多活动啊，还有bingo啊，画画啊，唱歌啊，什么都有。反正我感到很高兴，所以呢，我现在身体呢越来越好。谢谢安乐居，谢谢你们。
谢谢。呀，这个很好，这个。